Hi viewers, we will see how the numbers system was divided here. Okay, everybody knows what is a natural numbers. Natural numbers means positive numbers. Positive means 1, 2, 3 up to etc. This is what natural numbers. This natural numbers simply we can divide as even numbers. What is an odd numbers? Even means 2, 4, 6. Odd means 1, 3, 5. Again, this natural numbers can be divided as prime numbers, composite numbers. What do you mean the prime? It has only two factors. What do you mean the factors? Factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. That means 8, if you can take example for 8. 8 is divided by 1 and 8 by 4, 8 by 2 and 8 by 8. So this 1, 4, 2, 8, this and all exact divisors of 8. So we can say this and all factors. If any number which has only two factors, that is prime numbers. Two factors means whether it has one or the same number itself. If I am taking 17, 17 is a prime. We are not able to split in any table, it comes in one table or 17th table itself, not in any other table. So it has only two factors. One is 1 and another is 17. So this is a prime number. Composite number means more than two factors. For example, I told 8, 16, whatever that more than two factors, we can say it is a composite numbers. And you should know what you mean a coprime. Coprime means two numbers are said to be a coprime if they do not have any common factor other than 1. The statement's meaning is nothing but the HCF is 1. So if I am taking 9 and 10, the HCF is 1. If I am taking 2 and 3, the HCF is 1. There is no any other common factor which divides this both the number at a stretch. So this is nothing but coprime. What is a twin prime? Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 is nothing but a twin prime. Any two prime you can take. If you can make the difference as 2, that is a twin prime. Then after knowing what is the natural numbers, even, odd, prime, composite, factor, twin prime, coprime, this continuity is nothing but natural plus 0. We can say it as whole numbers. The whole numbers plus negative numbers, we can say it as an integers. In that integers, we can take this integers is nothing but negative whole numbers. This integers plus non-integers both are known as rational numbers. What do you mean that rational numbers? If you are taking any fraction, if you can divide it, you are getting some value in the decimal, whether it can get terminating or non-terminating like this. If you any fraction that 1 by 3 if you can divide, you are getting as a non-terminating but repeating means it's recurring and repeating are both the same meaning. So we can say it isn't rational. But the same fraction if you can divide, but that answer will be a non-terminating and non-repeating, then we can say it is an irrational. So now this rational and irrational both are known as real numbers. Okay, that real numbers means again you have that non-real numbers. What do you mean that non-real numbers? The square root of that negative numbers is nothing but a non-real numbers. So minus 9 if you can taking the square root, you are getting plus or minus 3i. So this is nothing but a non-real. So this real and non-real is both are known as we can say is number system. Overall that number system can be divided as real, non-real, in real, rational, irrational, in rational, integers, non-integers. Again the integers can be divided as negative and whole number. Negative and whole numbers. This whole number can be divided as 0 and natural. The natural can be divided as prime and composite, and also we can say even and odd. And the two types of primes are coprime and twin prime. Thank you. Thank you for watching.